Gee. It's getting really stuffy in this house because spring had just started and the temperature went up to a 60-ish. When will I ever be left to go outside? But, oh, yeah! My dad never lets me out because I'm grounded and he'll concerned that I'll be in trouble. Otherwise it's to be grounded even more. Maybe I can't go out without my dad's permission, but how could I resist? Nah. I'll just go out anyhow. Welp. I made it. But what should I write now to end here that's our summer fun? Wait. What's that? My dad's lawnmower. Now there's a funny idea.
Ha 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 ha. Now this is the funniest scene from SpongeBob SquarePants episode Big Pink Loser. No, this is Patrick. What? That sounds like it's coming from the backyard. What the? Is that Cigar? And what on earth is he doing with that thing with him? Oh my gosh, Cigar is riding on my lawnmower. He's so freaking grounded.
Uh-oh.
Cigar, stop.
Oh no. Busted.
That's right. Get your feet down from my lawnmower right now. How could you mess with my lawnmower like that? Also, how dare you ignore me when I told you you can't go outside while grounded? That's it. You are coming home with me back inside the house, young man. That's it, Cigar. No more hanging out with Cobalt Blue for you during your grounding time. You are now grounded for 10 days. This means no hanging out with Cobalt Blue, no smoking, no going outside, unless it's a school day, and no ice cream for 10 days. You will also not be going to see the Epic Tales movie when it comes out in April 5th, 2024. Now go to your room now. And I will tell your mother about this when she comes back from work.
I hate you, Dad.